Hey everybody, welcome back. Today could get messy. We are going to go from the original giant Course 1 25C tubeless tires on Denise's Liv Langma. And we're going to install Pirelli P0 Race TLR RS tubeless 700 by 30C tires. It's my first attempt at swapping tubeless tires, and we're going to see how it goes. Could get real messy. What do you think, Millie? Yeah. We've got our hair dryer ready to go to heat these up. I've got a valve core remover. I've got a Schrader adapter. So hopefully that'll make putting the sealant in easy, well, less messy. My plan is to take off the old tires, put on the new tires. Hopefully they'll hold air. I saw a trick on how to do this without a compressor. I don't know if it'll work. We'll see. Then once that's done, take the core out, put sealant in through the valve, put the core back in, air it up. It should be good to go. Let's see how that works. We got our coffee. We're ready to go. All right, a little bit of sealant in there. It's kind of disgusting. Patch that tire. Et voila. Okay, I've learned that never in a million years are you going to get this tire pumped up without a compressor. Plan B. That looks even all the way around. It looks shit hot. But now we need to insert some fluid. Let's get the next one to this level, and then we start doing that mess. Let's see if we can try to limit the amount of mess we have here. In the way. One tubeless tire tire sealed, and aired up. Alright. That's my tubeless tire experience. Let's hope she has no flats, goes a little faster, and definitely will look a whole lot cooler. These are really gorgeous tires. If you were thinking, yeah, maybe the Pirelli P0s, I think these would look a lot better than the Goodyear F1s I was thinking of getting, because they're kind of a dark brown, and this retro tan wall is just gorgeous. Yeah. This is for her Liv Langma, her fast bike. She really enjoys that bike. I think she'll enjoy it even more. I think these tires are going to really improve things compared to the old giant coarse ones that are now probably have about 3,000 kilometers on them. 5,000 the way she goes on them. And we'll set these up at the right pressures, and yeah, and she'll get going down the road. That's it for me. Thanks for watching. Hit the like and subscribe. See you in the next one.